Jonathan Strauss from Batavia, Ohio, in a 1969 Deuce and a half.
Come on, Jonathan!
He's trying not to break anything. It's not his truck.
Oh, is that what?
Yeah. Low and slow, he said. Low and slow. Woo!
Look at him. Slow so he don't break it. He's gonna break it.
Oh, look at the back end.
Come on, Jonathan.
Look at that.